So we're just gonna package up this real cool vintage calculator. It's an HP 15C. Found this at Value Village, hanging on the wall in the goodie bags of random things. You can imagine how little I paid for it. It's functioning, and I listed it. I checked the comparables on it, and I listed it fairly in comparison to the sold comps at $200, and it sold in 4 days. So we're gonna package this guy up. It's going to a customer in the United States, so hopefully you will enjoy your new vintage calculator. It's very, very cool. So we have an 8 by 6 by 4 inch box here. It looks like there'll be nice space around it for the bubbles. Keep it protected. So here we go. This is one of the funnest parts of my job. I enjoy this very much. And we're gonna seal it in a simple sandwich bag. Keep the air and any possible wetness that this could contact on its way. So, not much. Maybe we'll add a little bit more. A couple of these big bubbles will do. Get a lot of boxes and packaging material from my friends and family. They keep it aside for me. So it's a nice way to reduce your consumption and cost, at the same time being environmentally friendly. So there we are. So you can find my items at the eBay store called Pastime Stuff. Thanks for watching.